Before spending money on expensive garden or home organization items, see how Dollar Tree products can be transformed into high-quality functional solutions for under $5. Today we are sharing 10 practical and innovative hacks using Dollar Tree items that improve garden propagation, home organization, and vertical storage. These are easy-to-replicate solutions designed to save money while maximizing efficiency and style. Each hack uses products that are currently available in the 2025 Dollar Tree Spring Collection and require minimal tools or experience. Welcome to Timeless Gardening. If you are new to the channel, this is the place to find affordable gardening and home organization tips that anyone can implement. Throughout this video, we will show step-by-step how to use Dollar Tree items in ways you might not expect, making them both functional and visually appealing. Before we begin, comment below with the country or state you are watching from, so we can see where the Timeless Gardening audience is joining from worldwide. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. Beaded Tray Propagation Wall Art. Dollar Tree's beaded trays can be transformed into functional and visually appealing propagation displays. These trays, priced at $1.25, come in round or oval shapes with decorative wooden beads along the edges. By mounting a tray on a wall and attaching small glass vases or test tubes, it becomes a simple and effective propagation station for plant cuttings such as pothos or philodendron. This approach allows for a vertical display that saves space while adding an attractive botanical element to any room or garden wall. The finished product resembles higher-end decor, but can be created at a fraction of the cost. To make this hack, first select a round or oval beaded tray, and secure it to the wall using command strips or small screws. Next, attach small glass jars or test tubes to the tray, using decorative wire, glue or clips, ensuring they are stable and level. Fill the containers with water, and place your plant cuttings inside, making sure each cutting has enough space to grow roots. Adjust the spacing of the jars to create a balanced look, and consider repeating the process with multiple trays for a larger wall installation. This method provides a cost-effective, easy-to-assemble propagation system suitable for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. Hack number 2. Kitchen Strainer DIY Trellis. A simple Dollar Tree kitchen strainer can be repurposed into a functional and decorative trellis for climbing plants. Priced at $1.25, the strainer's perforated design provides a perfect structure for vines, ivy, pothos, or small climbing vegetables to grow through. When paired with jute rope or twine, the strainer transforms into a rustic vertical display that can be mounted on walls, fences, or balcony railings. This hack combines practicality with visual appeal, turning an everyday kitchen item into a garden accessory that supports plant growth while saving space. To make this DIY trellis, begin by wrapping jute rope or twine around the edges of the strainer to create a woven basket appearance. Secure the rope with glue or small knots to ensure stability. Once wrapped, attach the strainer to a wall or fence using screws, hooks, or command strips, depending on the mounting surface. Guide your climbing plants through the holes in the strainer, allowing them to weave naturally as they grow. Optionally, spray paint the strainer beforehand for a different color effect or to match your existing garden decor. This method creates an inexpensive, functional, and visually appealing trellis that can be easily customized. Hack number 3. Colorful Plant Misters. Dollar Tree's Garden Collection plant misters, priced around $1.50 each, offer both functionality and aesthetic appeal for indoor and outdoor plants. These misters are ideal for humidity-loving plants, such as tropical houseplants, orchids, and ferns, providing a fine spray that keeps leaves hydrated without overwatering. Their colorful and elegant design allows them to remain on display as part of your plant setup, adding a decorative element while serving a practical purpose. They are small, lightweight, and easy to store, making them suitable for both beginner and experienced gardeners who want a low-cost but visually appealing watering solution. To use this hack, simply fill the mister with water and spray directly onto the foliage of your plants as needed to maintain humidity. Keep multiple misters in different colors for easy identification by plant type or room location. These misters can also be used for fertilizing with diluted plant food or for misting propagation cuttings to encourage root growth. Additionally, they make convenient and attractive gifts for gardening enthusiasts. By combining utility with visual appeal, these inexpensive plant misters enhance plant care routines while maintaining a polished look in any space. Hack number 4. Picture Frame Mini Greenhouse. Dollar Tree picture frames, priced at $1.25 each, can be repurposed into a compact and functional mini greenhouse. By assembling multiple frames into a cube or peak structure, this DIY greenhouse protects seedlings from pests, wind and temperature fluctuations, while providing a controlled environment for early plant growth. It is suitable for balconies, patios or indoor spaces, and can also double as a terrarium for small plants like succulents. This solution replicates the benefits of commercial mini greenhouses, but at a fraction of the cost, making it an efficient and affordable option for gardeners. To make the mini greenhouse, remove all materials from the frames except the glass panes. Secure the glass back into each frame using hot glue, ensuring it is stable and fits properly. Assemble the frames into a cube by gluing the edges together, or create a peaked roof by angling 2 frames and attaching them securely. Add a decorative knob or handle to the top if desired for ease of lifting or aesthetic appeal. For outdoor use, seal the wooden frames with outdoor Mod Podge to protect them from moisture. This DIY greenhouse can be customized in size, shape and number of frames to suit different spaces, providing a versatile and cost-effective gardening solution. Hack number 5. Clothespins as plant trellis clips. Dollar Tree wooden clothespins, priced at $1.25 per pack, can be repurposed as simple and effective plant trellis clips. These clips hold climbing plants, such as tomatoes, cucumbers, beans or clematis, against a trellis without damaging delicate stems. They are reusable, easy to spot, and provide an adjustable solution for supporting plants as they grow. This method reduces the need for commercial plant ties while offering a practical, low-cost way to train and secure plants in both garden and indoor setups. To use this hack, attach the clothespins from behind the trellis, placing the flat gripping surface against the trellis, and letting the small hole cradle the plant stem gently. Space clips according to the plant's growth and the trellis layout. For delicate seedlings, butterfly hair clips from Dollar Tree can be substituted for an even gentler hold. Color coding the clothespins by plant type or growth stage can also improve organization and tracking. This approach creates a simple, inexpensive and reusable system for maintaining vertical plant growth while protecting stems from damage. Hack number 6. Wire Trellis Floral Wall Basket. Dollar Tree metal trellises, priced at $1.25, can be transformed into a decorative and functional wall basket for flowers or plants. By combining the trellis with jute rope or twine, it becomes a rustic wall hanging suitable for porches, sheds or garden fences. This hack allows for the display of real or artificial flowers while providing a visually appealing vertical element for any space. It replicates the look of high-end farmhouse decor, but can be assembled at minimal cost using materials that are widely available. To make the wall basket, wrap the bottom third of the trellis with jute rope or burlap, securing the material with hot glue as you go to form a stable basket-like section. Add artificial dried or small potted plants to the top portion of the trellis, ensuring they are balanced and secure. Optionally, attach a small wooden sign or decorative bow underneath the basket for added detail. Hang the finished trellis on a wall using command hooks or screws, adjusting the height to suit your space. Seasonal variations can be created by swapping the floral elements throughout the year, making this a versatile and cost-effective wall display. Hack number 7. Trellis Coffee Bar and Tool Organizer. A Dollar Tree metal trellis can be repurposed into a versatile vertical organizer for coffee stations, bathrooms or garden sheds. When combined with over-the-door hook racks and small metal baskets, this hack provides practical storage while maintaining an attractive boutique-style appearance. The total cost for this setup remains under $5, making it an inexpensive solution that maximizes vertical space and keeps items neatly organized. It allows for easy access to frequently used items while maintaining a clean, visually appealing display. To assemble this organizer, first remove the bottom portion of the trellis with wire cutters if needed to fit your intended space. Attach a small metal basket to the bottom of the trellis using zip ties, securing it firmly. Attach the hook rack to the middle section of the trellis with additional zip ties, ensuring the hooks face outward for easy access. Mount the completed unit on a wall using screws or command hooks. The basket can hold mugs, coffee supplies or garden tools, while the hooks provide convenient storage for utensils, brushes or small hand tools. This flexible setup can be customized for various spaces, creating a functional and attractive vertical storage solution. Hack number 8. Magnetic Weekly Planner. A simple 8x10 tree picture frame can be transformed into a magnetic weekly planner, providing an organized and reusable surface for planning garden tasks, meals or daily to-do lists. By adding magnetic buttons to the corners, the frame can be attached to any metal surface, such as a fridge or filing cabinet, creating a convenient and visible planning tool. This hack combines practicality with low cost, allowing for easy updates and adjustments while keeping important schedules in plain view. It is an efficient solution for tracking weekly garden watering, planting dates and other household tasks. To make the magnetic planner, remove the glass from the picture frame and attach 4 magnetic buttons, one to each corner on the back of the glass, using hot glue or strong adhesive. Reinsert the glass into the frame, and place it on a metal surface where it is easily accessible. Use dry erase markers to write directly on the glass for notes, schedules, or reminders. The magnetic feature allows for repositioning as needed, and multiple frames can be used for color-coded organization. This planner provides a customizable low-cost method to maintain schedules and track tasks efficiently in any indoor space. Hack number 9. Napkin Holder Pot Lid Organizer. Dollar Tree metal napkin holders, priced at $1.25 each, can be repurposed as an efficient pot lid organizer for cabinets or garden sheds. By mounting multiple holders horizontally or vertically, lids and small trays can be stored upright, saving space and improving accessibility. This method provides a low-cost solution for maintaining order in kitchens or sheds, keeping frequently used items visible and easy to reach while reducing clutter. It also allows for flexible placement to suit different storage areas or cabinet dimensions. To create this organizer, mount the napkin holders inside a cabinet door, on a wall or on a shelf, using screws or adhesive strips. Insert pot lids or small trays vertically into each slot, ensuring they are stable and easily accessible. In garden applications, these holders can store terracotta saucers, plant labels, seed packets or small hand tools. The holders can be spaced according to the size of the items being stored, and can be combined in multiples for larger cabinets or workspaces. This hack provides a simple, cost-effective, and customizable way to organize both kitchen and gardening supplies efficiently. Hack number 10. Wooden Pegboard Garden Tool Rack. Dollar Tree wooden slabs and blocks, priced under $3 total, can be combined to create a custom pegboard for organizing garden tools. This hack provides a vertical storage solution that is both functional and visually appealing, keeping tools such as pruners, trowels, gloves and hose nozzles easily accessible. The arrangement can be customized to fit any wall or shed space, offering a flexible system that accommodates various tool sizes and quantities, while maintaining a clean, organized appearance. To make this pegboard, first arrange and glue the wooden blocks to the wooden slab using E6000 or wood glue, spacing them evenly according to the size of the tools you plan to store. Optionally, paint or stain the slab and blocks to match your existing decor. Mount the completed board on a wall, using screws or anchors suitable for the surface. Hang tools on the wooden blocks, and optionally add small hooks between blocks to increase storage capacity. This inexpensive, customizable system provides a durable and organized solution for garden tool storage, while replicating the appearance of high-end rustic pegboards. And there you have it. 10 Dollar Tree hacks that provide functional and visually appealing solutions for gardening and home organization. These inexpensive projects save money while offering practical storage, plant care, and display options that are easy to assemble and customize. By using items from the 2025 Dollar Tree Spring Collection, Each hack demonstrates how everyday products can be repurposed to create high-quality results, without professional tools or experience. These solutions are designed to maximize space, protect plants, and keep household or garden items organized efficiently. Before you leave, comment below with the hack you plan to try first and the country or state you are watching from, to let us know where our audience is joining from. If this video was helpful, like the video to support future content, and subscribe to Timeless Gardening for additional budget-friendly gardening tips, seasonal planting schedules, and home organization ideas. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications for new uploads, and stay updated on practical hacks that save time, space, and money.